Good evening, everyone. It is April 26, 2017. We filled up a really late night break after 11:20 to be exact. 2014-15, the Cup Hockey one box break, number 32. Random teams. So, a quick one box break of Cup Hockey 14-15. So, here's the dice roller right here. Here's the list of names. Started off with Michael, ended it off with Ryan K, Last Spot Mojo. And we have the Ducks here to the Winnipeg Jets. So, let's roll the dice. A 6 and a 4. That's a full 10. 10 times. 10 times in the list of names first. So let's go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 the final time. Alrighty, guys, after 10 times, it was a 10. Nick K, you're the number 1 position. Joe P, you're in the 30th. Alrighty. 10 times now on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. Alrighty, guys, after 10 times. Boston Bruins, you're right at the top. Chicago Blackhawks, you're at the bottom. Remember, guys, this 14-15 Cup. I'll put the checklist in the chat right now. Nick K got the Bruins, Coyotes, Sabres. James P with the Minnesota Wild. Nick K with the Sharks and Jets. Bowman, you got the Washington Capitals. Nick K with the Vancouver Canucks. Ryan K, you have the Last Spot Mojo Ducks. Nick K with the Blue Jackets, Red Wings, Rangers, and Tampa Bay Lightning. And as well as the Flyers. Joe P, you got the Penguins. Ryan K, you got the Florida Panthers. Randy, you got the St. Louis Blues. Joe P, you got the Colorado Avalanche. Nick K with the Devils. Ryan K with the Flames. Michael Tower, you got the Predators. Nick K with the LA Kings. Bowman, you got the Canadiens. Nick K with the Senators. Ryan K with the Oilers and Hurricanes. Nick K with the Toronto Maple Leafs, as well as, Ryan K with the Stars. Richard, you got the Islanders, and Joe P, you got the Blackhawks. So I'm going to quickly pause the video, guys, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back, open up this one box break of Cup Hockey, 14-15, so stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list once again right here. Ryan K, Last One Mojo with the Ducks, and here's everybody else. Alrighty, guys, 2 boxes remaining out of this. 3-box inner case, box 2 and box 3. So I'm going to roll this dice since there's only 2. If I roll a 1, 2, 3, we're going to go with the top box. If I roll a 4, 5, or 6, we're going to go with the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. 1, 2, 3 was going to go for the top. So number 3 will be for the next one box break. So there it is right there. Good luck. 5 cards come out of here, guys. So it's like a black diamond break, basically. High risk, high reward. Alrighty, fellas. Good luck. We got a Bobby Ryan, 45 of 249. Ottawa Senators. Going to Nick K. We have Timu, rookie auto patch, 36 of 249. Detroit Red Wings. Polkinen. Timu. Let's say Timu. Detroit Red Wings going to Nick K.
That guy must have been 0.
Next one, fellas. Ooh, look at this. What a nice 3-color patch. 1 of 10 Joe Sakic for the Colorado Avalanche. Look at that. Colorado Avalanche. Going to Joe P. Nice hit. Nice. Next one, guys. We have Marty McSorley for the Edmonton Oilers. Brilliance autograph. That's going to Ryan K. Next one. We have Klaas Delbach, rookie autograph, 41 of 249. Chicago Blackhawks. What another hit with Joe P. Wow, Joe P. Nice. There you go, man. 2 hits right there. Last one, guys, is a redemption. Kind of peeked to see who it was, but I want to make sure I announce it right when I see it. Alrighty. Good luck. (2014-15) The Cup base set rookie auto patch, card number 137, number to 249. It is Marcus Gronlund. Nice. Yeah, well, they don't expire to 2017, and then you still have a year after that. So, of course, they would still do these right here. And I just looked this up. Marcus Gronlund going to the Calgary Flames. As you can see right here. Card number 137. It is right here. Calgary Flames. That is going to Ryan K. Well, there you go, guys. That was a quick 1-box break of Cup Hockey, 14-15. No level 2 RPA, so there could be one in the last box right there that we have available here at Jaspy's HobbyLand. Pretty solid break right here. Right there. Whoa. Joe Sakic, 1 of 10. Whoa. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.